Venetoclax is the oral BCL2 inhibitor. It's been approved now in relapsed refractory chronic lymphocytic leukemia, both in the US and in various other countries now around the world. And we've also been very interested in the activity of this drug in non-Hodgkin lymphoma. I published the data last year on the phase 1 first-in-human trial of Venetoclax in non-Hodgkin lymphoma, where the drug was active across a number of different subtypes of the disease, but most notably the best responses were in mantle cell lymphoma. So at this ASH meeting, I presented a poster updating those results and looking at the long-term follow-up of those patients with mantle cell lymphoma. In total, there were 28 patients, and about 3/4 of the patients responded to the drug, with about 20% having a complete remission. And the median progression-free survival was around 11 months, which is modest, but I think still showing some durability. I think what was most interesting about this presentation at the meeting was the fact that there were some very durable responses to Venetoclax, even as a single agent, in a very heavily pretreated population. It tended to be those patients who got into a complete remission. They actually had a very favorable progression-free survival. And we've had patients on the study now getting into the 4 to 5 year range of being on Venetoclax, still in remission. And so I think this is encouraging that there's a subset of patients that may have a very durable benefit. And so I think in the future we need to explore biomarkers to help identify who those patients are, and then also explore combination strategies with Venetoclax. And I think one of the most promising ones is with ibrutinib. We've seen some recent data published on this, and I think future studies will build off of that initial promising work.